Hello. Please, how are you guys? I want to, I want you to join me to unbox um, our foodstuffs. We got someone just arrived and we ordered. We sent money. The guy traveled from here not a month ago, so we sent money. My husband sent money to his siblings, so they bought things and gave to the guy. So the guy just this guy is in the sweet. When you have enough foodstuffs, hey God, from Niger, this will not be management here. We would no long story, no long story. So join. I have enough. I have enough. We have enough now. This bag, I miss this. What do they call it? Sack bag. Sack bag. I miss this sack bag. And the guy, oh yeah, but oh, when the case, basically, I change this thing. Otaku, otaku, this thing. Otaku, the thing there. Maybe I marry a wedding. Otaku, obia, butakura. Now see sack bag don't enter flight too. Meanwhile, so many people never enter flight. Oh my goodness. So this is, I don't know where to start. Actually, I didn't know where to start. I didn't know. This is crayfish. This crayfish too. The taste, nothing sweet, more than to buy things from Niger. No be the small this thing where they wrap for us 10 dirham. Oh God, you just they manage. But this one you have enough. This two now is crayfish. This is abacha. My husband, abacha. This is abacha. Abacha. The abacha princess. This is abacha too. All this black this thing I don't miss about no the small thing. I'm not finding her in car. Car gonna become. It's already late, so the thing. What I will have to do is to guess what? Suya. we ordered for suya. This suya. Now this one, where in Sisha? This one, no. He did not see the main suya. So we just asked him to just buy it like that. Okay, this thing could be this because this thing could be suya spices. Because I asked my husband brother to buy us suya spices. I will use do my barbecue. Okay, I will have. I miss suya. Since I come to this country. Yes. Nah. Suya. No good and go. So much in hunger, I was just spicy. Cow. Now, what bono? I can feel it. Black, black, black. Nah, I don't miss all these places. Cow. Azum. Azum. Anyways, I need to open all these things. I need to open them. I want to open. Oh. Wow. Nothing good person when you send your person to buy something for you. Some your people go they na piawa kwa azu, but your person mind her. You see, good distance. Okay, and then they can have a piawa azu, no? So. Under. We still got under, sir. The under will get still plenty here. The one they bought for us last. Yeah? Nah. How can you tell? You know, come here. Hunger. Oh. Oh, I'm gonna. I'm not from home. What house are we in? Hotel. Hello? 6. We'll buy this one. We'll buy here. I gotta go back. Excuse me. This one we'll buy it for 15. 15 dirham. 15 dirham now. Go reach. 15 dirham now. How much now? I will check with what rate is now. Ewa. What is this? I don't forget what I had. Oh my goodness. This is corn. Me and Agede, God help me. Me and Agede. I love Agede. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm going to make Agede. I will make kits. I will make, maybe this one I will do it for 2 times. I will make it 2 times. Yeah, na Agede, Oh. Yeah, we're gonna egusi. Oh my goodness. Yeah, we're egusi. And I'm for Galas. Oh my God. They tried. Kantarasu yamo. have a good show. A good show, I'm before you begin. Come on. This is unbelievable. Oh. Enough for a couple. Now, what is it? What is it? Huh? What is it? What is the best way to dog in? What is the best way to do the man alone? Don't get it. Okay, so you're not talking. The man alone, not the same. No, has to young. Then you could come out from there. Go away from there. This is mine. Oh, I need to find something to put it. Oh, at this fish animal. Oh my god. So, thank you for watching. Let me serve you my suya. Ooh. Yeah. Oh. Bye.